What is up, everybody? We did it. We did it. You did it. Thank you so much. This channel has hit now over 100 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and subscribing to this channel shows that you support me. And even if you don't subscribe, just thank you so much for viewing. And we hit 100 subscribers, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. Obviously, no you, no subscribers, so thank you so much. And with that being said, and the promise that I'm gonna hold true, I will always hold true, is I said if we get to 100 subscribers, I will show my Fidelity investments portfolio. And as of the time of this filming, we are already over 100 subscribers, which is awesome. Next up is 1,000 subscribers, but let's just, without further ado, I know you guys, maybe you've been waiting for this, maybe you don't even know what the heck I'm talking about, but let's just open it up right now. My Fidelity investments portfolio. As I'm opening it right here, I just want to say that whatever value it's at, whatever value, all the videos I talk about on this channel, I don't do this to toot my own horn. I don't show you my portfolio to say that I have this amount of money or I don't have this much money or whatever the case is. I don't do it to show off. I do it to help you. I want you to see, maybe you could look at what I have, what I invest in, and maybe choose to invest in that yourself. I'm not going to tell you what you should or should not invest in. All I'm saying is that with these videos, maybe that you can see something that you didn't know you could do on M1 Finance or now Fidelity, or you're just seeing something, you're looking at someone, maybe how they invest, and you can relay that and reflect that on your portfolio. You can take something or a few things or nothing at all, what you see out of my portfolios. And number one is to document my path to financial freedom, but number two is to help you along the way. So this might have been a moment you've been waiting for a while. So here it is, Fidelity Investments portfolio. Face ID, just like M1 Finance, Fidelity Investments stepping up their game with a Face ID, which is awesome. Okay, here we go. So right here. So we can see I have a credit card with Fidelity Investments, but my account, my main account right here, my individual account is currently sitting at $17,420.26. Today I've lost $313.18, almost 2%. But we go in here and we click it. We can see my summary. So here's my balance history. You can see that at the beginning of the year, and I'll explain this in a minute why it shot up the way it did, but my 1 month, you can see for the month it's went down a lot. My year to date, I'll explain the beginning of the year in a second, but 1 month it goes down. We can see that my asset allocation in this portfolio is 100% domestic stock. I don't have any foreign stock, I don't have any bonds, I don't have any short-term, unknown, or other. 100% domestic stock. Some news. So my movers, we'll get to that. So here we go, positions. So here are the 7 funds, the 7 stocks, the 7 holdings in this portfolio. So the first one that says SPAX, SPAXX, is just the money market account. It's where your money is whenever it's not invested, but it's held in to Fidelity. So I'm not gonna talk about that one. McDonald's right here. So the first one is McDonald's. I have basically $8,000 in McDonald's. But here is the two things with McDonald's and Disney. Disney down here, DIS. My parents, when I was born, they put $100 or $500 or $1,000, something, $1,000 or $500, I can't remember, one or the other, in both of these funds, in both McDonald's and Disney, and haven't done anything since. So these two are true testament of long-term investing. So 21 years, 22 years, I don't even know my own age, 22 years that they put money in McDonald's and Disney and didn't touch it at all. Did not touch it. Compound interest, dividends reinvested, and McDonald's is currently sitting at $8,000 and Disney is sitting at almost $3,500. Then the other five, FSTA, FQAL, FCOM, AVUV, and AVUS, those are the ones that I purchased myself. The FSTA, the FQAL, and the FCOM, those 3 are my biggest holdings with right around $2,000 in each of them. You can see I have $2,100, $2,084, and $2,100 in FCOM. And overall in this portfolio, I am down almost $1,000, $895. The reason that McDonald's and Disney doesn't have a total gain or loss value is because they were in a different brokerage and I transferred them over at the beginning of the year. That is why on the graph at the beginning of this video, it shot up at the beginning of the year, is because I transferred McDonald's and Disney stock from one brokerage into Fidelity so I could have it all in one place. And the AVUV and the AVUS, those are 2 index funds as well. So all of these minus McDonald's and Disney are index funds. And each week I do an update, or each video that I'll do an update, I'll talk about one of these. So the first one I'll talk about is FSTA. So we can see here the most recent value of FSTA is $1,936.87, down $166.83, almost 8% since I purchased the first one. So if we go to tax lots, we can see that I've acquired all of these. All of these are the times that I acquired a share or multiple shares or a fraction of a share of FSTA. Now, if we go to FSTA information, we can see that there are 89 holdings in this fund. There's 89 holdings. And of those 89, these are the top 10. Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Walmart, Costco, Philip Morris, Mondelez, Altria, Colgate, Kimberly-Clark. So those 10 make up about 70.78% of this fund. And of this fund, FSTA, we can see that the expense ratio, the net expense ratio is 0.08%, which is very, very low. The dividends, I want to talk about dividends because even though it's in an index fund, I still receive dividends from this fund. So the dividend yield is sitting at 2.68%. It tells you when they are paid, the 25th of March. So I've already got them paid. 24 cents per share, 25 cents per share, 2.68% dividend yield. You can see the analyst ratings. You can see your key statistics, your PE ratios, your price to book ratios, your price to sales ratios, your tracking errors, all those things. I really do like Fidelity. I've been using Fidelity for over a year now, so I really like Fidelity. But I just wanted to show you, and like I said, I'll do one video at a time talking about each of my funds, but this is FSTA. But this is my overall portfolio, the summary of my portfolio, $17,420.26. Once again, 100% domestic stock. Now, with my M1 Finance portfolio, I do $25 a week invested every single week automatically into my investments portfolio at M1 Finance. But here with this portfolio, I don't do that. I don't have an automatic investment. Whenever I have excess money, I put it first into this Fidelity investments portfolio. Then I worry about my M1 Finance portfolio. Why is that? Is because with my M1 Finance portfolio, to me, that I see that as my fund money. My fund money, meaning I go and I invest in dividend stocks. I go and invest in single stocks. But here, and we'll talk about it when I get into AVUV and AVUS, but also with FSTA, FQual, and FCOM, those are index funds, meaning I'm diversifying my money. So for me, how I see it is this is my true mover. This is my true nest egg. This is the main part. I want to have majority of my money in my Fidelity investments portfolio, but with my M1 Finance, that can be my fund money, my dividend money. And over time, maybe with the dividends, since I'm investing in single companies, they might rise over, it might take over and have more money in there just from true gains and dividends. But this Fidelity investment portfolio, the one I showed you today, first off, thanks again for 100 subscribers. That is awesome. This is my true nest egg. This is my true big money maker, in my opinion. This is where I want to keep majority of my money. So that's it. So if you were waiting for that, $17,420.26 in my Fidelity investments portfolio. Thank you so much. Thank you again for 100 subscribers. Next up is 1,000. I know you're looking at that and be like, that's crazy, Colin, but you got to shoot for your dreams. You got to shoot high. 1,000 subscribers. But each week, so here's what I plan to do moving forward with this channel. Each week, I'm going to either have an M1 Finance portfolio update or a Fidelity portfolio update. And then the other video will be whatever it is I want to talk about that week. And no one replied in the comments about a book they want me to talk about. So if you have any book, any investing book that you want to talk about or you want me to talk about, leave in the comments below. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, I want to start doing a Q&A at the end of the video where I'll answer subscribers or any comments from the videos. So I'll put them up and I'll talk about it. I'll answer from my point of view. So a Q&A at the end. Leave any questions, comments, concerns in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. 15 likes, 15 comments. The last video, we were so close, so we can do it on this video. I know we can. So thank you so much, and let's get investing.